रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा, हो रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा। मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम तेरा नाम, मेरा नाम इश्क। ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये मैल इश्क। ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये मैल इश्क। अपना नाम बदल दूं या तेरा नाम छुपा लूं, या छोड़ के सारी आग में बैराग उठा लूं। बस एक रहे मेरा काम इश्क, मेरा काम इश्क, मेरा काम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम तेरा नाम, मेरा नाम इश्क। ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये मैल इश्क। ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये मैल इश्क। ये काली रात जकड़, ये ठंडा चांद पकड़, ओ ये काली रात जकड़, ये ठंडा चांद पकड़ लूं। दिन रात के बैरी भेद का रुख मोड़ के मैं रख दूं।
मन मंदिर में सजी बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी। बंसी बजैया रास रचैया, तारनहार मेरे तुम ही केवैया। तुमसे बड़ा कहाँ कौन कन्हैया।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे, स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे। हाथ चलो के संकट शरणे दूर करे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
मंगल भवन मंगल।
Are you ready for the wedding to start? If I say give me that kind of energy, you must say only whole days. Are you ready? Yes. Very good. Are you comfortable sitting down? I want all of you to stand up. Please.
पर हम डरे कहाँ, बजरंग दुख जगत के तुमसे बड़े कहाँ। चिंता के नेक कर दे पर हम डरे कहाँ, बजरंग दुख जगत के तुमसे बड़े कहाँ। सुख संपत्ति घर आए, सुख संपत्ति घर आए।
दुल्हा बनी बेटा दुल्हा बनी, मोरे अंगने में भाजत ढोल। ललना हमरी दुल्हन बनी, मोरे अंगने में भाजत ढोल। ललना हमरी दुल्हन बनी, दुल्हन बनी मेरी दुल्हन बनी, दुल्हन बनी मेरी दुल्हन बनी। मोरे अंगने में भाजत ढोल। ललना हमरी दुल्हन बनी, मोरे अंगने में भाजत ढोल। ललना हमरी दुल्हन बनी। चलती ही आई है दुल्हन की कोवा, चलती ही आई है दुल्हन की कोवा।
चौखट पे चल के आज चारों धाम आए हैं। बजाओ ढोल स्वागत में मेरे घर राम आए हैं।
अनमोल मत जइयो राधा रानी के चरण, अनमोल मत जइयो राधा रानी के चरण। अनमोल मत जइयो राधा रानी के चरण, अनमोल मत जइयो राधा रानी के चरण।
She'll be the light of this young man's life. You ready for the night? She gets a little fiery at times. You can manage? You should. Alright. Open-mindedness, that's important. me they're Hori from Ireland. So far as I'm around this thing. The next step in the Hindu wedding is Saptapadi, where you take 7 steps towards the northern direction. And in the meantime, the Kirtan Mandali, yes, no? They'll sing the song for the 7 steps and I'll explain it a little later along with the Bawa.
चढ़ गई तेरी प्रीति रे राधा तेरे धुन में कृष्णा से खो गई मैं राधा तेरी धुन में कृष्णा से खो गई बंसी बजे जब तेरी मैं तेरे हो गई बंसी बजे जब तेरी मैं तेरे हो गई मनिहारी का भेष बनाया शाम चूड़ी बेचने आया छलिया का भेष बनाया शाम चूड़ी बेचने आया कान्हा सो जाए सदाओ कान्हा सो जाए सदाओ नैनों से न छूना मोहे कान्हा सो जाए सदाओ कान्हा सो जाए सदाओ कान्हा सो जाए सदाओ
It's not me request, she requests this, right? And she says, Tritram vata upayagyam dhanamagam suno ase shastrayatam paranare kara sangha naha karotu agyam swamina prage namaha. You understand everything we said?
I did not.
So you agree?
I don't know.
This chap's smart. He wants to know what he really agreed to. So firstly, she says, if at any time, sir, you want to perform any puja or religious ceremony or go on a pilgrimage, wherever you go, she humbly requests that you include her in those pilgrimage and she wants to accompany you. That's number one. What do you say, sir?
Yes.
Anybody here? Any here?
Yes.
In America, they said 3 words, right? You guys say our 3. The Shapna really want marriage. I help him the man. What are the 3 words he has to say?
Yes, I do.
It sounds like a life sentence you saw. And you have to see this thing with a lot of vigor. They have to be convinced that you really want to marry this girl. You want one more chance?
Yes, I do.
Alright. There's some hope here. Number 2, she says, if at any time you desire us to perform any Pitra Yajna, paying respect to your ancestors, your lineage, your family, she humbly requests that you include her, that she may be part of that ceremony as well.
Yes, I do.
You get time quick, huh? Number 3, she said, if at any time you desire us to help others, even giving support to lower animal, you must allow her to be blessed by joining you in such noble acts.
Yes, I do.
When you don't have actually say you do too, right? Number 4, she says, if at any time it becomes necessary for you to borrow or lend, either at home or abroad, she asks that you may let her know beforehand. Not let know the money and then actually, right?
Yes, I do.
But the funny part is, she's the accountant, so she can control the money again. Number 5, she says, if at any time you desire us to contribute to doing any noble deed, as building a church, building a temple, digging a well for the less fortunate, perform any rituals according to our religious rites, she humbly requests that you may consult her beforehand.
Yes, I do.
Number 6, one more after this one. If at any time it becomes necessary for you to fly out to the country to do business or to conduct business or to pursue anything, she asks that you consult her before time. In case you want to fly away and think, with your friends then, you gotta ask permission first.
Yes, I do.
Stop really want to get married. Lastly, she's saying, this is the important one. The rest, I'll real quick. She's saying, she asks that at no time should your affection towards her become less. You should stick by your divine law. From today, she asks with folded hands, she says, I ask that any female younger than yourself, you must look at her as a daughter. Any female around your age, look at her as your sister. And any female a little older than you, you look at her as a mother. You want a couple minutes?
Yes, I do.
Now this guy is very agreeing. But girl stories are very long. She had 7 long requests. My friend here only has 3. And we should ask the girl, right? It was only fear. So her first request is Margangya ka bhina sapaude Vidragara arogaha mujhe ako apne namaha Jago yade tum nahi baka mama akula Vahanam tabo divaye mama kane namaha. You agree? Yeah, say no, why are you going to know? Oh, talk to her in English. Very nice. Number 1, the groom is saying, he's saying without his consent, you should not be part of any group where he is not respected.
I agree.
That sounds right, huh? He signed up with his life. He said, yes, I do. And she wants to say, I'm going to think about it. You want to give your next chance?
Yes, I do.
Alright. Number 2, he says, may you always exhibit behavior which will create only favorable conditions in our home. That means you always be on good behavior. You can manage?
I think I could manage. Yes, I do.
And number 3, he's saying, today he's going to be able to call you this thing called wife. And he said wife has about 7 letters. Right? 4. Can you spell it for me?
W-I-F-E.
Anybody hear that? And he's saying he wants to explain that words to you in his heart what it means. And he's saying, first he writes down poem and he said, my heart today I give it to you. Do you give yours to me? We lock them up and throw away the key. Papa poetic. But he's saying W. He says, may you always be willing to strive for greater heights. May you always want to go up or forward in life. No backwards, huh? He's saying backwards, never. Forward, forever. He says, may you always have implicit faith in him. Do not allow the remarks or observation of unworthy, dishonorable person to cause strife, disagreement between you two. F. He writes the next love thing here. He said, love me, and this world is mine. And he says, F, family life should be our new priority. And finally, he says, E, he wants you to be simple. He wants you to be a sample. But more so, he wants you to be an example that the world can follow. And then he says, true love stories never has ended. And he hopes your love for each other will also never
Fade.
Yes, I do.
Can we give them a round of applause? They seem to want to Or it could be I'm talking too much and they want to go downstairs and party a little bit. Huh? One or the other. Who said yes? We only have a couple more things to do. Since they both agree, Bauji, can you switch them, please? Let us switch. As Hindus, when we get married, we believe that the body remains as two, but the heart is merged, the Atma is merged. And this part is called Hridaya Sparsh, where we chant the mantra and we hope together the heart beat as one, going forward. Om Mama Vrata Hirandhana Machityam Chidatastu Mama Vacha Karma Jushtim Prajapate Nitya Nato Madhava.
कहते हैं जय राम राम राम। शिव भी जिनको पूजते हैं वो राम राम राम। मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम जय श्री राम राम राम। I'm looking for the Barkhabai, the big brother, the my big brother, Videsh, you're wanted up front. I give this guy an applause. Look, he expects so much something. So today, the big brother is saying to his new little sister, he's saying, today, I'm taking a vow to protect you. In life, the water is never smooth. Please give one report.
And sometimes we can't smooth out the ripples by ourselves. We need somebody to listen. Don't take side, but listen attentively and then make a decision. Today this young man is saying, I'm here not on his behalf. I'm here not on your behalf. But I'm here as a neutral party to always stand up for both of you. Anytime you need, your phone is away. He says the phone call away, but in the age we live in, it's just a text away. No one can call people these days. Right? But you can call him. He says if he's not busy, he'll answer. But he's saying, today he vowed to protect you and you as a neutral party between you two. If the chance comes that you need him, please call him and he'll come running. That's alright? So I ask you to place that on her neck. Om Sri Dapatayebhyo Namo Namaha Dharanambhyo Namaha. So he not only come with a tapa of protection, he also bring a gift for the bride. You remember Ojito? It's proper nice. I give him a round of applause for me, please. Thank you very much, big brother.
Shri Madan Mohani, Shri Venurati.
राधा तेरी धुन में कृष्णा से खो गई, मैं राधा तेरी धुन में कृष्णा से खो गई, बंसी बजी जब तेरी मैं तेरी हो गई, बंसी बजी जब तेरी।
The first rule says, you both should never be angry at the same time. If she angry, let she have she moment. When he angry, let he have his moment. Number 2, never yell at each other unless the house is on fire. No yelling, huh? Number 3, if you have to win an argument, let your partner win. She looked like she want to win steady, huh? Number 4, if you have to criticize, do it lovingly. It's not what you say, it's how you see it. Very nice. Number 5, this one is the one that ruins many marriages. Never bring up mistakes of the past. Left the past in the past. Remember what I said. Backward, never. Forward, forever. Number 6, neglect the entire world, but don't neglect each other. From today, your priority is him. From today, your priority is her. Samjhe? Samjhe. Number 7, never go to sleep with an argument unsettled. Not put them on the sofa. Talk it out, and now you go sleep happily. If you take all night, do it. Because you don't want to go to bed angry, huh? What number did I have? Number 8, at least once a day. At least once a day. Try to find a way to say a kind compliment to your partner. In America, they say ladies first. No? You guys heard that? Ladies first? So, my dear, please say something nice to this guy.
You're looking very handsome today.
I think that was an easy but we'll take it. Are you hungry or something? I clap them on up in. And we gotta give this young man a chance.
You are looking extremely beautiful today.
You sound like you got right? And number 9, it says, when you have done something wrong, in the world we live in, we always make mistakes. Anybody here said they don't make mistakes? Except me? We all make mistakes. When you have made a mistake, please admit it and ask for forgiveness. And finally, number 10, it takes 2 to have an argument, a disagreement. And the one I find who's usually wrong is do the most talking. So when you want to fight, when you holla holla, I want you to take a cup of water and hold the water in your mouth and listen to him attentively. And when you don't talk, spit out the water or drink it. And I want you to do the same. What happens to the quarrel then? There is none. You listen to what he has to say, and you listen to what she has to say. Samjhe? These are little rules that we should follow. And if you follow it, life will be really easy and smooth. In Hinduism, we honor our parents as our first god. And today, they're blessed to have their parents with them. So I asked Mommy and Daddy to please stand there for me, I now pronounce Mr. and Mrs. Bhagwan Din. Can we have some applause? Her name is Shanti and she has come from far. She comes from an island. And she will dance for the bride and groom. And Mr. Sound Engineer, please turn on the music so I can start talking.
तेरे नाम से शुरू, तेरे नाम पे खत्म।
शांति और शिव हरे विजयम कुरुमेवलम और शरण में फ्लावर्स प्लीज कमललोचनमनालनयनादिने हर गुरु गजराक्षस गोपते शिवतनो शंकर पाहि मां शिव हरे विजयं कुरु मे वरं सोयरञ्जन मंगल मंदिरं मजगते पुरुषगम्बर महापदे भवति तासुख पावन माबुधं शिव हरे विजयं कुरु मे वरं जय युधिष्ठिर वल्लभोपते जय जय जिव पुण्य पयोनिधे जय कृपामय कृष्ण नमस्तुते शिव हरे विजयं कुरु मे वरं मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुड़चा मंगलम पार्वती नंदन मंगलाय तनो हरे
सुनो महाराज ऐ दुल्हे राम लाला मोरे कारी सुनो महाराज ऐ दुल्हे राम लाला मोरे कारी सुनो महाराज ऐ दुल्हे राम लाला दुल्हे
You got fall in the pan and then you get it. Who get? I come. One for Nicholas.
No, you're taking advantage because she closed too rough with shit there, right?
Two, Brianna.
Yeah. Three, don't make you in the
Three
rest.
for Nicholas. Four for Nicholas.
Last one, right?
Nicholas hadap so. So di bangga gafali.
Yeah, mommy.
Because
patiently. Amazing decor, like a fantasy. This wedding creating history. The couple of the century decided to get married. Now it's time to start a party. The couple of the century, they took their vows in front way. Now it's time to start a party. शाही जो दा पहन के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हाथ है शर्माए सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हाथ है Everybody jump, jump with the bride and jump with the groom and wave with the bride and jump and wave and dance. Let me see you put up your hands and dance. Let me see you put up your hands and dance. कैसे मैं कहूँ शुक्रिया उसका मुझ पे एहसान है ना चीजों की बस्ती में वो जो बन के आए मेहमान है लगता है शादी घर में उसके आने से जैसे चल के आए हैं खुशकिस्मती This is the wedding, how people talking. Long time we waiting patiently. Amazing decor, like a fantasy. This wedding creating history. The couple of the century decided to get married. Now it's time to start a party. The couple of the century, they took their vows in front way. Now it's time to start a party.